Hi, today we will be learning how to play the Pierce collectible card game. In this game, you play as a school hero helping sad classmates be happy again. Setup: place your Pierce deck beside you, followed by the classmates' deck. Give them a good shuffle first. Take the top 3 classmate cards and place them between you and your opponent. The sad side of the classmates' cards should be facing up. Choose a hero card and place it in front of you. Then decide who goes first. Your turn. At the start of your turn, draw 3 cards from your Pierce deck. You can play any number of cards between 0 cards up to 3 cards during your turn. This turn, I give 1 card to Praveen and 2 cards to Taylor. After I finish playing my 3rd card, my turn ends and my opponent's turn starts. Level rule: you can only play a card if there is a card 1 level lower on the table. For example, if I want to play my level 2 card, I need to give a level 1 card to a classmate first. Level 1 cards can be played without other cards on the table. Befriending classmates. You will see a classmate's sadness level on their empty crystal. When you give a classmate friendship crystals equal to their sadness level, they become your friend. Take your newly befriended classmate friend from the table and keep it. Then, replace it with a new classmate card from the classmate card deck. Losing cards. When a classmate card is removed from the table, all cards given to this classmate card is moved to the used cards pile. This means that if more than 1 player is giving cards to the same classmate, the slower player could waste cards. Game end. The game ends when there are no said classmate cards left in the classmate deck or on the table. Flip your classmate cards over to count their happiness points. The player with the most happiness points wins. Types of cards. Happiness cards. These cards are given to classmates. They stay with the classmate until the classmate leaves the table. Action cards. These cards only last 1 turn. At the end of the turn, action cards are moved to the used cards pile. Hero cards. These cards represent the player and come with their own special powers. Power-up cards. These cards are given to your hero cards to give them extra powers. When a hero card has enough power-up cards, they can transform to be even more powerful. We hope that you have enjoyed playing the Pierce collectible card game. And as always, be supportive, caring, and courageous.